song's the story of an actor who had died while he was drinking. He was no one I had heard of, and I'm turning to the horoscope and looking for the funnies when I'm feeling someone watching me, and so I raise my head. There's a woman on the outside looking inside. Does she see me? But she does not really see me. She sees her own reflection, and I'm trying not to notice that she's stitching up her skirt, and while she's straightening her stockings, her hair is getting wet. It is always nice to see you, says the man behind the counter to the woman who is coming. She is shaking her umbrella, and I look the other way as they are kissing their hellos, and I'm pretending not to see them, and instead I pour the milk. Kaskade.